Hello friends, good morning and welcome to today's video. It's about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the boy who taught India to fly. So let's begin. In the quiet town of Rameshwaram, surrounded by the blue waters of Tamil Nadu's southern coast, a boy was born on October 15, 1931, Abul Pakir Janullah Abdin Abdul Kalam. He came from a humble Muslim family. His father Janullah Abdin was a boat owner and imam of the local mosque, and his mother Asha Amma was a loving homemaker. They didn't have wealth, but they were rich in values. Every morning, young Kalam would wake up early, help his father, and then go to school carrying dreams far bigger than his village. As a child, Kalam, uh, Kalam sold newspapers to support his family. But even while doing that, his eyes would wander to the sky, watching the birds fly freely. He would often wonder, how do they fly? How can something so heavy lift off the ground? That innocent curiosity became the seed of his life's purpose to make India fly. Kalam studied physics at St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, and later pursued aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. He worked tirelessly, often late into the night, because he knew he was not just studying for himself, but for the dreams of a nation. After completing his studies, he joined the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). At ISRO, Kalam led India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully launched the Rohini satellite into orbit in 1980. It was a moment of pride. India had entered the space age. Later, at DRDO, he became the backbone of India's missile development program, creating Agni, Prithvi, and other defense projects that made India self reliant. That's how he earned the title, the Missile Man of India. But even with all this success, Kalam lived a simple life, no luxury, no ego. He was always seen smiling, often saying, I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help because the beauty is in the heart, not in the face. In 2002, he became the 11th President of India, the People's President. Children loved him, students adored him. He would often say, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Even after completing his term as president, he returned to teaching because at heart he was always a teacher. He traveled across India, meeting students, inspiring them to dream big and work hard. He believed great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. On July 27, 2015, while delivering a lecture at IIM Shillong, Dr. Kalam collapsed on stage. He left the world doing what he loved most, teaching. His body left us, but his spirit did not. Even today, every Indian child who dares to dream carries a spark of Kalam's fire. Don't just aim for success, aim to make your country proud. And that's what he did, from a boy selling newspapers to becoming the President of India. This was the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man, the teacher, the dreamer. Thanks for watching.